These are some of our two-steppers. So let's say we want to get the a by itself here. The first thing we need to do is move the c over. So y take c is a, b. And then we want to move the b over. So y take c on b is equal to a. Now let's look at why we do that. Plus c, the opposite is take c. So on the other side, it's take c. Times b, the opposite is divide by b. So on the other side, it's divide by b. Now this will be the same if you want to get b by itself. If you want to get c by itself, it's only a one-stepper. All you need to do is remove the ab. So it'll be y take ab is equal to c. Now the reason why it's take ab is because here there is a plus. Even though we don't write the plus, it is assumed it is a plus. So to remove plus ab, we need to take ab on the other side. Now if we look at y equals ab on c, if we want to get the a by itself, it's two steps. We need to remove the c and then remove the b. Now let's look at why we did that. On this side it's divide by c, so the opposite of that is times by c, so we bring the c up. On this side it's times by b, and the opposite of that is divide by b, so we bring the b down. Now if you want to get the b by itself, it's the same thing. If you want to get the c by itself, it's a two-stepper. First of all, bring the c up by doing the opposite. So you had divide by c on this side, now you've multiplied by c. Now we want c by itself. We're going to get rid of this y. Now here it is y times c. So to do the opposite, we divide. And the c is by itself. Okay, now let's imagine we want to get a by itself here. We need to first get rid of the c. It was the last thing that happened. We had a, we divided by b, and we added c. So we need to remove the c. So y take c is a on b. Now the reason why it was take was because it was the opposite of plus. Now we need to get rid of the b, and we need to bring it up. On this side it's divide. On the other side it will be multiply. So b times y take c is equal to a. Now the brackets are important because we want to multiply everything on this side by b. So we need the brackets. Now a is by itself. If you want to get c by itself, it's relatively easy. All you need to do is remove the a over b. Y take a over b is equal to c. Why take? Because on this side it is a plus ab. And the opposite of plus is take. Now if you want to get the b by itself, you need to go from this step here. So we have b, and we need to remove this. So it'll be b is equal to a on y take c. Because the opposite of times here, b times y take c, is divide. So that was a three-stepper.